when I applied for the apprenticeship, I was looking for a career change, so I was feeling really hopeful about it, but it was like a leap of faith. I didn't really know what to expect. I hadn't even heard of user-centered design at all, but the description sounded really appealing to me, and I was hoping to get into something that was a little bit more creative than what I was doing previously. So it just sounded like a great opportunity to use my creativity for something, a cause that I felt was really worthwhile. So over the past 1.5 years of this apprenticeship, I've just it's completely changed my perspective on design, and I feel really, really good about the place that I'm at in my career right now, thanks to the apprenticeship. So yeah, I felt really positive about it, and it's the best decision that I think I could have made for my career. I would say the biggest highlight is when I finally felt confident enough in my skills that I could go away and do a piece of work independently to really help one of our squads out with the project they were working on. So the first time that happened was for the squad that's working on planning permission right now, and they needed someone to make a prototype, and we've only got one in-house interaction designer. So I was really keen to sort of jump on that and use the skills that I'd learned over this 1.5 years. And I think it went really well. I really enjoyed doing it. It was right up my street. I think it was successful, and they did actually go on to use that then for some usability testing. I'm really pleased that I've been able to secure a permanent job as a junior user-centered design officer for the CDPS. So I'm really pleased that I get to stay at the CDPS, which is such a lovely organisation. But I'm really interested in developing some more specialised skills in interaction design. So over the next few years, I imagine that I will be more like a general user-centered design practitioner, but with a special interest in interaction design, and I hope one day that I could go into that specialism as a full-time career.